this is Tim from MicroSD Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use an SD card reader on your Android phone so you can use your SD cards and just check them out if you're using these on like cameras or something like that. So you're going to need an SD card reader. I bought this one from Amazon, from Walmart. It's O&N. This one's nice because it has USB, micro USB, and then a USB-C so I can plug it directly into my phone. And then it has SD card and then micro SD card. So you can just take your SD cards and plug them in here. Just make sure they're not set to the lock position, otherwise you're not going to be able to read these and see what files are on them. So you can only plug it in one way. Just make sure it's in here snugly. Alright, and then we can just plug this into the bottom of our phone. Just like this. Now sometimes my SD card reader doesn't work. So let's swipe up now and go to Files. So let's go to Files now. And since we have Samsung, it's going to be called My Files. If you have a regular like Google phone, it's going to be Files. So let's go to Files right here. And you can see it's popping up right away. USB storage 1. I can just go in here and just check out what I have in here. So here's photos. Looks like I transferred some photos to this. So I can just copy this now to my phone. So you can see I can just go over to internal storage and find a folder somewhere in here. So usually I just copy it to DCIM, camera, copy here. So you can transfer files back and forth just by using that method. Just look at the top. So like here's images. I take an image from a SD card, copy it, select my USB storage, which is my SD card plugged in with the USB slot, and then I can just find a folder in here, copy here. So easy to go back and forth. I just copied something to my phone and copied something from my phone to my USB SD card right here. Now sometimes it can be really finicky and it doesn't work. So out of these two of them, 3 SD cards I have, only 2 really work. This one didn't. Sometimes if you have the wrong format, NTFS, on your Android phone, it's not going to read it. So you're going to have to format it to, it's called EXFAT, and then it should be able to be read. But when you do that, you have to delete all the data. So it really depends on which format your SD card is. And it's probably going to matter what format your camera is using. So this one is not going to be read at all, unfortunately. I'd like to see what's on here. So I'm going to have to plug this into my computer and just copy the files over there and then reformat it and then put all the files back on it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out or give you some ideas. Hopefully it did.